What up, YouTube? Today we're going to go over how to roll out your hamstrings. So your hamstrings are what's on the back of your leg. What up, YouTube? What up, YouTube? Today we're going to go over how to roll out your hamstrings. Your hamstrings are the muscles located on the back of your legs, and with everybody walking, doing things every single day, that's what actually gets tight most often that I hear the most complaints about. So, how we're going to hit our hamstrings is you guys are going to go right above the knee to right below the butt cheek or the glutes, and you guys are just going to come on here. If you can, you're going to just try to lift yourself off the ground, and then you guys are nice and slow and controlled, going to go up and down. When you find a spot that hurts, you're going to sit on it, and you're just going to let it sink into the muscle. Now, if this is too easy and you don't feel anything when just doing both legs, you can then cross one leg over the other, which usually makes it a little more intense for most people. And then again, you're gonna just go nice and slow. One mistake I see all the time is you'll see people going like this, which you're not really doing anything. You're just kind of massaging the muscle. To actually foam roll and to release stuff, we need to get in there, we need to find the spot that hurts, and then we just need to sit on it. And then again, you guys are gonna just kind of lean in and then lean out to find what's tight on you guys. So a simple way to do it. It won't take a lot of time, but if you guys add this into your routine, it will make a huge difference. Hope this helped. I'll see you guys on the next one.